Today's the day. We're off to New York.
Yes.
Remy, what's happening?
We're going to New York.
But speak louder, I can't hear you.
We're going in the bus, and then we're going in another bus
Okay, we're going to New York. Let's go.
to New York.
You want to go on my back?
Love it. So we're in Brossard. We're in the car waiting for the buses to arrive. We're here, less stress. Now we just wait for the bus. We had so many problems while not booking. After we were booked, we ran into so many problems. But now everything is good. And we're ready to go to New York. See you there.
What? Yeah. I'm just gonna go with that.
We just did.
Oh, we went through customs at the border.
Ah ben voilà, vous voyez, ça nous a pris quoi, une demi-heure, 35 minutes. Ça s'est bien passé.
You know if we're supposed to wait for mom. So a little bathroom break here with the kiddos in Beekman Town.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to
So next stop, New York.
Yes, baby, can't wait.
Mark he slept. He had so much rest. He's ready to go. He's good. He's wide awake, right?
Well, I'm so anxious that I don't know if I'm gonna sleep. So we'll see.
Mark hasn't slept since yesterday. Let's go.
Ça veut dire que ici, il y a là.
Just